Payton, due to your extreme, intense love and passion and desire, not only for your faith, but also Justin Bieber, I decided to label you Payton. I'm going to tell you one time, Hollon, because you're outspoken and you're just outgoing and you're going to be something big out there, so that's what I wanted to label you as, okay? All right, guys, so I was going to end class tonight just with talking about some of your nicknames that I've been developing over the last couple months here and thinking about what I want to call you guys, okay? So I'll start with Sam. Sam. We're going to record this, guys.
Come on. What is that?
All right, we don't need
Someone didn't put the
St. Joe's Youth Group, hard at work.
The #1 cause of finger painting spills. Put the cap on, Payton.
Andy, can I touch your
Show us your nice signs.
Oh, I mean, I did the right one. I'm thinking like that Tony's reserved for kindergartners. I colored
Andy,
a lot of them.
Was it you that started the finger painting?
No, I
Maybe.
did. Peyton started.
No, it was me. I take the blame.
It
Here,
was his
Allie,
mess
catch.
too. Whoa, that's pain.
It was a joke.
Alright.
She does.
All right, now Peyton's turn.
I tried already.
But do the yeah.
It's all dirty now. Okay. So make the same noise she was.
Go.
Yeah! Yeah! Like that. Wait, yeah! Go. Yeah!
Yeah, wait. You can't do it before you hit the wood. It's got to be simultaneous. It's got to be simultaneous. It's got to go. Yeah.
Yours is
Yeah.
yes. Yours is
Yeah.
Your turn.
All right. So sorry, recording.
Whenever I talk to them, they just say like one word answers back. So yeah, not very amused.
That's not right. Hey, get in there, Peyton.
Now he's at the risk of his house burning down.
All right. Say cheese.
Tornado! One more. Shot it,
Carrie and Peyton helping out at Dexter tornado relief efforts here off Wiley Road in Dexter, Michigan. No. That's good. All right, break it. Wait, no, break. Is it breaking it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I stopped it.
Aw,
I don't know if
it's so cute.
It's not off.
Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. Say Santa Heights football players.
My mouth can run in this country all day and all the night. Yeah, it's your turn. 2 and 2. I can shoot you in this country all day and all of the night. 3 and 3. Can't sleep with me in this country all day and all the night. Yeah. 4 and 4. Can knock on my door in this country all day and all of the night. 5 and 5. Can't testify against myself all day and all the night. Yeah. 6 and 6. Be public in this country all day and all of the night. 7. I fell at 5 Ave. No wet floor sign all day and all the night. Yeah. It's for school. 8 and 8. Grow punishment in this country all night. All day. In this country. You messed it up. 9. More rights are mine in this country all day and all the night. Yeah. 10 10 and 10. Take cab rides again in this country all day and all of the night, yeah. Love you, 1 and 1, my mouth can run in this country all day and all through the night, yeah. 2 and 2, I can't shoot you in this country all day and all of the night, yeah. 3 and 3, can't sleep with me in this country all day and all through the night, yeah. 4 and 4, can't knock on my door in this country all day and all of the night. 5 and 5, can't testify against myself all day and all through the night, yeah. 6 and 6, speedy publics in this country all day and all of the night. 7 and 7, I fell at my bed and no at floor signs all day and all of the night, yeah. 8 and 8, cruel punish I hate in this country all day and all of the night. 9 and 9, more rights are mine in this country all day and all through the night, yay! 10 and 10, stay average again in this country all day and all of the night, yeah. We love you, Mr. Carlson!